That show was so good. Every aqua show, or both aqua shows that we've seen so far,
Fantastic.
have been fantastic. We changed clothes, if you haven't noticed already, and we are going to try to eat lunch in the main dining room today, just for something different. The menu sounds kind of interesting, so it does close at 1. It's 12:17. Hopefully they'll let us in. I'm sure they will. You want to cross here or down and across? We're gonna stroll through Central Park again. I really enjoy having this on our floor.
Yeah.
It's just like, you have to go this way to get to the main dining room. Might as well take a stroll in the park. Alright, so along with the full menu, they also have a buffet. I didn't look to see the actual food on the buffet, but you can make your own salad, so I got a salad. And there's a beautiful buffet of desserts. So we picked some up already because we don't want to miss out on that. Did you see what, like, food they had? Okay. What'd you order?
I got the crispy pork belly, and it looks like it's gonna hold true to its name, and it looks delicious. I'm not gonna lie.
Peach soup.
Lovely.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
So we both got the same appetizers, salad, dessert, all on this little table. I think we can make it work though. What did you get?
Butternut squash risotto with brown sage butter.
Yeah? Is it good?
It's pretty delicious.
Guys, I got chicken and waffles because it sounded really good. So, I don't know what this, I'm sure it's like honey or something to put over top, but we kind of got it in to share, so I'll see how it tastes. Everything is really good so far. So. What is what?
Flan.
That's flan?
So this looks like it's a flan, a custard. It's a maple honey. It's good.
Cool. I don't know what this is. They have these cute little things, so I just started grabbing them all. It came with a little spoon, and I thought it would be like white on the inside, but it's yellow. I don't even know what flavor that is. Mango, passion fruit, raisin. I don't know what flavor this is. Raisin.
Whatever you don't know.
Yeah, but they also had red ones and blue ones up there. And kind of just like a general rule, I don't often eat foods that are blue. You know, like that aren't like natural blue, so like that they're dyed. I don't know. I just don't do it.
Oh, what's the point of that? This is a dulce de leche mousse with like a white chocolate sword.
Oh, yep. You probably won't like that.
I think I'm gonna love it after I finish this one.
I cannot wait to go back to the gym on Monday.
Me.
I'm walking up these stairs and I'm like huffing and puffing. Oh yeah. It's painful. But I have to take the stairs or else it's going to be even worse for me on Monday.
Yeah.
So, anyhow. Definitely have eaten my fair share of food and drank my fair share of alcohol. We drink a little more.
Yeah, we drink more than we ever do.
But we're with friends, so that helps. So I asked him if he's ever seen Grease.
Oh yeah.
I said, "You've seen this, right?" And he said, "No." And then he said, "Have you seen it? Do you even know me? Have I seen Grease?" That is ridiculous.
She's been in Greece.
And they really liked it. They liked that more than.
Have you seen it? Anyhow, I'm excited for this. I think it's gonna be really good.
Yeah, we're not even.
Yeah, except you wouldn't know because you don't know what it's about.
Yeah, I'm excited. There's John Travolta. There's a car. Rizzo gets pregnant. There's a cigarette.
This one.
And then Grease Lightning.
Guys, I need some more friends to watch shows with because this is stressing me out. Alright, we're gonna do a balancing act here. Alright, here we go. We have so many things right now. So first of all, let's talk about the show that we went to today.
Amazing.
How did you love Grease?
It was so freaking cool, guys.
It
I was really impressed. That was my first outing in Greece. That's really hard to beat.
No, it was really good. That
Yeah.
was the best production of Grease that I've seen. And I've seen it a lot. So much so that I knew every line of every scene and all of the songs.
Oh, we should cut your play.
We
inside the
absolutely
vlog.
should not do that. That was 12 years ago, I think.
Wow.
That's not a thing.
We had that at home.
We do have that at home. We do have that at home. But no, guys, that was so good. We just went, obviously, we went back to the room. Packed our bags. So sad because it's the last day. And now we're on our way to dinner, but we also have all of this GoPro stuff that is not ours. So we're bringing all the things to dinner because it will most likely be the last time we see everyone, which is so sad.
It's a lovely night.
It is very lovely. I'm gonna fog up in a second, I think. Yep, we're done. Did you order food tonight?
I ordered a lot of food tonight.
Yeah.
I had escargot. I had crab cake. I think we ordered ravioli, salmon, 2 apple pies,
All the
popcorn
things.
shrimp, which we ate all of it. It's gone now.
Right. So the other night we had this crispy coconut popcorn. Well, it wasn't popcorn shrimp, but they kind of looked like it. And Josh told the waiter how much he loved it, and it wasn't on the menu for the rest of the night. And they brought us 2 giant bowls of this shrimp, and we devoured it. It's completely gone. So that was really cool. Thank you, Royal Caribbean. Great service. But I also got the crab cake, the escargot, pork, and chocolate cake. So we're gonna eat our final meal. I'm sad, but I'm excited for this food.
We get a beach house. She said all that, and I'm down to my last 3 already.
Shrimp at a time.
I haven't even started.
Have you ordered pork? Pork? You ordered this one, right?
This is the salmon. Over roasted vegetables with a lemon butter sauce.
And then I have Caribbean pork loin with a black bean salsa and sweet potatoes.
Yes.
I know, like John Denver died traveling? This is an awful idea.
I even called Apple and he said no.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, 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 yes.
I really am not loving this color combination.
Oh,
it's like the
man.
7th time I've said that, but it just looks so bad.
Paradise Crew. We're gonna do another group cruise. Not even I think so. You know we're gonna do another one.
Yeah, it'll be great.
It'll be great.
We'll figure it out. We'll let you know all about it when we figure it out, though.
And we learned some new stuff. So, got some feedback from the crew that came. Everybody, you're so dope. I hope you enjoyed your gifts.
And your week on the ship. This ship was awesome.
This ship was amazing. This was a good selection.
It was a good idea.
Good idea. So a couple of new ships are on their way in 2020. Several. Wink. But guys, we hope you enjoyed these vlogs. If you didn't enjoy the vlogs, what I want you to do is go to the little red button and click subscribe. And if you really, really enjoyed the vlogs and then in the videos, I want you to go to that little red button, click subscribe, and turn on a notification bell. So, 2 very different things, okay? So, just figure out which one you sit in, and get with it. But, but guys, we got an early morning tomorrow. We're gonna get off the ship really, really early. We're gonna roll out. So
yeah, it's a Sunday, which means Monday we're back to all the things. So we're gonna try to get a jump start on the week, pick up Oli Bear, get some food, and then we have other things to do in the evening. So
yeah. So as you're watching this, tomorrow I'm going to try to edit a vlog same day while in a car driving back to do all the errands.
Clearly, I'm driving.
Yeah. So
He's riding back. There's a difference.
that's fun.
Driving, editing,
Yeah.
all at the same
All
time.
the things. Well, guys, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
We'll
next
see
time.
you in paradise.
Okay. You always make it awkward.
I do. Bye, y'all.
Bye.